Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to block or allow apps through Windows Firewall on your Windows PC, keeping your system secure and in control, whether you want to stop apps from accessing the internet or let them through safely. I've got you covered. Now let's dive in. So to block or allow apps through Windows Firewall on your Windows PC, we are going to click on the search and then we type Windows Security, okay? So I'm going to click on the Windows Security and then I'm going to click on Firewall and Network Protection. So I'm going to scroll down a bit and then I'll click on Allow Apps Through Firewall. So this is the interface to allow apps through Windows Defender Firewall, okay? So to make changes, you are going to click on Change Settings. So here you can allow apps through private or the public network, or you can block apps through the private and then the public network, okay? So to do that, let me demonstrate one to you right now. So let me scroll down to Microsoft Office, okay? So the Microsoft Office is being allowed on the private and then the public network, okay? So to block the app, I'm going to uncheck the box, okay? Then I'll click on OK. So let me scroll down a bit and then I'll see if I can add one to it. So Microsoft Outlook, okay, that one is on the public, okay? So let me go up a bit and then we see, okay, so Let's View. So Let's View is also allowed in the private and then the public network. So if I want to block them from the private and then the public, I'll just uncheck the boxes, okay? So that is how to allow or block an app on the Windows Firewall. You can also allow apps, okay? So to do that, you are going to click on Allow Another App and then you browse to the path to where you have the app, okay? So let me specify a path and then I'll show you how it works, okay? So I'm going to click on the local drive C, then I'll click on the program files. So let me specify an app now and then we see how it works, okay? So I already have the Let's View. Okay, let me see this. This is empty. So let me see if I can. Okay, this is empty. Okay, WinRAR. So let me select this and then I'll open it and then I'll add. Okay, so now I've added the WinRAR app to my allowed apps, okay? So I can allow the app on the private network. So I'm going to check it and then I'll click on OK, okay, for the WinRAR app to be added to the private network, okay? So now let me show you the advanced way to block an app completely, okay? So let me cancel this because I don't want to make the changes. So to block an app completely, I'm going to click on the advanced settings in the Windows Security, okay? So I'm going to click on yes to allow these apps to make changes. Okay, so at the outbound rule, I'm going to right click on it and then I'll create new rule. So at the new rule, it says what type of rule would you like to create? I want to create a program rule, okay? Rule that controls connection for a program. So I'm going to leave the default, then I'll click on next. So here we are going to point to the path where we have the app we want to block, okay? So to do that, I'm going to browse and then I'm going to select this, okay? And then I'll click on open. Then I'll go to next. So this is the process to advancedly block or allow apps completely, okay? So it can specify what you want. So block the connection and then you go to next. So here you can specify if it's a domain, when does this rule apply, domain, private or public. Then you go to next. Then you give your a name to your rule, okay? And then you give the description and then you are good to go, okay? So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.